So now this is my challenge to you. I want this to become real for you. So I want you to design your own monetization plan using the same approach I use for my clients. So I want you to go through the step-by-step activity. So just choose your niche, okay? Ask yourself, who can I help right now? Coaches, marketers, real estate agents, or e-commerce owners. Then the next thing is pick 1 to 2 workflows to productize, okay? So think about workflows you've already built, like client onboardings, AI summaries, social media content automation. Those are potential services or templates you can monetize. And then now, once you have that ready, define your offer, okay? How will you position it? Is it going to be a down for you setup? Is it going to be a template or a monthly maintenance package? You need to decide all these upfront. You also need to decide on your pricing model. Pricing models, typically, they are hourly for freelancers, retainers for agency, one time for templates. And then finally, outline your in the next 30 days what you're going to do. Pick one thing to launch. That is your first Upwork gig, a Gumroad template, or a LinkedIn post announcing your offer. The truth is that the fastest way to earning income is to take what you already know and then packaging it into something valuable and repeatable.